Okay, Raksha's here.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you, Steve.
Thank you, Dale.
Okay, Raksha. I used to have dates with
Hi.
women. I used to have dates with women and said they couldn't make it, and then they could make it, and then they were late. And
How many of those were from India, though?
yeah, that's right. I'm talking about American women. So good point, Steve. So welcome back. Welcome back, Raksha. How are you, my
Thank you
friend?
so much, Dale. Thank you so much. A
I'm
lot of
glad you
things
made
actually
it.
are going on right now here, so I'm really sorry for this thing. But I didn't want to miss meeting with you anytime, so I
All
just
right.
tried to
All
come back.
right. So what a wild day. You want to share your screen with that green box, share screen, and see what
Yeah,
you're
I am actually trying to do that. Just give me
okay.
1 second. Okay.
So it's a green box. It says share screen. Drop down menu.
Actually, I'm just on a new system here altogether. So that is the reason is actually taking some time.
Okay,
Great.
here it comes.
I'm here.
Okay. So you're already in here, so you could probably go to some of your charts.
Yes.
Your Nifty or gold. Yeah, there we go. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're looking
So
at the 4-hour gold crash that we had today, and
yes.
you're calling this a reset with Boomi?
Yes, yes. Actually, I'm actually this was my T1 here, and this I'll just come down to the 1 hour time from right now. So this was my T1 here. Here, from this point, I am just looking for a retest back till like 1921, which is nothing but the September 2011 high. So I
Yeah.
am a little bit um, skeptical about it because there are few very important range of support and resistance here at around like 1888 and around like that 93. So between
Yeah.
this range, if this range is broken of this range of 93 to 88, 86, if this range resistance range is broken back, then we can see the 1921 high again to be tested on a little bit of a longer term side.
Okay,
So what a
1920.
fall
Yeah,
in gold.
yeah. 1920 was a battleground before we broke out to the upside. So,
Yes.
yeah, I could see if we had some type of rally back to 1920, would you consider that sell strength type of opportunity if we got back up there?
If we get back up there, I think that the prices are going to just halt here again back because it's like a very important resistance point. As I've uh, since from a longer time, you have been noticing that I am very much keen for the prices which are historically important. So like this high, this price of exact like 1921.07, this is the exact price of September 2011 high.
Right.
So after that high, it tried to break up more, but then it's back again to this point. So now if this prices are going to test again, 1921 will be the price of little bit of more resistance side. So
Okay.
I will not try to do anything heroic at this level right now. I just try to wait and watch for some time how the price is going on right now. Then after this 21 is broken, then we can see that 46 price back again for the next target side for the higher side. So this is the
Okay.
goal. This thing is like this. So night till 46 because there was little bit of they tried to get it back here from 46, but
Yeah,
after that a long
three drives to the top. Did you notice that? I've been trying to
yes
even teach people on Twitter. I mean, if you go back to your shorter
yes
term chart, it's even more visible. Maybe you ought to code that into Boomi 3 drives.
yeah. So
I'm just
this
kidding. You don't need it. Okay, so you know, gold's down, but the dollar really isn't up. I know you follow the dollar. I'm wondering what
yes
your view is
yes
here.
yes dollar here. Let's see. I am still following my same old chart here, and it is still it's from 2016 low of exact price. If I quote is 91.919. This is a 2016 low price. It has rejected here. If from a last meet which we had here at around like June, July here, if you remember, I was saying that this price is going to be a very strong support here, 2016. And from this, we are back to retesting of 2019 and 1990 high, which is like 94.7. Now it's back again to 2016. When from here this time I'm thinking it might go back. It might check the lower side prices of around 90.775 to this range, to in 91 to 90.75. So this might be we can say that this time we can see a little bit of breakout of this 2016 low, not too deep for that, but on lower side for sure. And then if I go for more lower side, if I see, then we can get back to the 88 price of DXY.
Okay.
But right now, I don't think so. Not more than 90 here, 90.7 here, because this again amounts to be a very strong support price of range here. So DXY till now, it's this range, this channel, if you see here, which I have drawn here, it's a longer term trend line here for all the support prices which we have for the all-time lows of DXY. So this range is very important range, because if this range is broken, this will give a definite direction to DXY for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's just hovering around between these two lines.
Okay.
And just like that, we had also, I think in SPX also, we have the highest high of all time. This lows, they are just trying to test it back. And if we draw a trend line here, we can see that this again is going to be a very strong resistance back here altogether. So if this is broken, we can see the retest of the previous high of 3550 on this. But no, I don't think so. I am just much more on a bearish side for SPX right now.
All right, but we did that, Raksha. I think your chart might be delayed. We already made new highs, didn't we?
Okay. Yes.
There you go.
Exactly. There you go.
All right.
This one. Okay. So now we this is not updated. I'm working on my brother's PC right now, so I have lost so many things here. So now we are if we are looking for this, I'll just go to the all-time prices of that, and if I look at this, a very easy thing. It has just surpassed all the levels here. So what I am just writing, I just use the extension here for these kinds of all-time high levels here. So if I look at this, then 3770 is the next high, which you can see in SPX then. Okay. And if I go for the extension back here, then around 3730, 3729. So these two are the levels here for SPX, which we can see as a resistance for the next higher high or like that. But this close is very important, as we need the valid close is very important of this line. But as you can see, there is little again resistance is there on a selling pressure is back here. So if the price is closed above that, then 3729, 3730 is the next high we can see in SPX back again. Same was the case with Nifty again. As in our Nifty also just broke all the highs here, and this was the highest high. And here again we are back to the highest of all time. And here also, like, we are again just expecting some more higher side of around like 13K, but it will take some time. As you can see, the gaps, you see the gaps, the buying pressure here since October. So last month there's so much of buying pressure here back again. And very interestingly, it is making a harmonic move also. So let's see what kind of rejection we get back here around at like 12,700 back to the prices back to the highest highs back.
Okay, and those green bars on the and red bars on the previous chart is your algo or EA.
Yes, this is the algo here, and as per the background color, the green background color is showing the demand in the demand sentiment of the market. So when it is green, that means there are still buyers here. There are still demand in the market right now. It goes same for everything. So right now, if I'm talking about Nifty, let's talk about SPX then. If we are if I put that, one second, we can see what kind of sentiment is going on in the market. So if it's green at that time, so we only look for the buying pressure. So it's like here. So we are still in the green. The buying pressure is still there. We are not at all. We have the red stars. If I see a red star back here again, that means there's a change of trend in the market at that particular time frame which I'm using. Like if I'm on a daily time frame, so it will show me the change of the trend in the daily time frame. Right now, there's nothing red here. All the greens are here since 4th of November. So we are still bullish on this SPX. And if I go to gold here, just take some time because we have compiled all the versions which we have, like for the Indian market, for the global market, for the COMEX, FX and all. So we have just compiled one in called Bhumi Maya. So where there are so many people who are interested in using all the versions. So for them, we have just compiled all the one and with some more additions in that. So that is why it's taking some time here. Now we see a red star here. So that means you see the fall here after this. So right now we are not seeing any supply sentiment, like no selling sentiment here in the red zone. It's still in the green zone, but right now it's a neutral zone. That means there's the price where there's a balance of the market is about to. We can see a little bit of balance in the prices, the equilibrium of the market right now. When as soon as it turns red, then we will be bearish for it. And when it's green, then we're always bullish for it. We'll only buy when there's green. And if we see a price here, this level, we always buy from this level. So it has retraced back to our buying point here, which is exactly as per my personal the calculations which I do, like the chart, that I love to make charts. Like so these two levels of our algo plus my personal calculation, these are all converging at the same level here. So now we can, if I just we can see some buying side back to these levels. So a retest is definitely, I feel that it's on the way. Until unless the prices just breaks down 1858, there is nothing bearish about it. So this is what gold is about. Then I was just checking about crude.
I knew you were going to go there. Okay.
My favorite.
Yeah.
So this crude is back to its 1990 high. It's just testing again and again and again. We have seen a change of trend in the market of from 4th of November again. We have just changed the trend of the market, and still we have a little bit of switch. When this price is broken of 41.19 exactly, that's the 1990 high. We have a little bit of immediate resistance at June high, which is at 41.61. This range of resistance once broken, then we can see 42.79 to 42.80 as our next target in crude right now. But we can see a clear rejection again on the same price level.
Okay.
As soon as it turns either a red or either a red zone or a red star, we are still doing nothing here right now. So this is how our algo is working all together with how I perceive the chart to be. So all these levels are there.
Okay. You want to show your website, or did you have another?
Yes.
Did you have another market you wanted to share? Or
our website is niftyanalysis.in,
okay.
and we are working on our new interface also. So very soon, this all thing is going to be changed very soon now, as we're working on it. Diwali is coming on, a very big Indian festival is there. So we are planning to launch the new website here. So if anyone is interested in knowing more about Bhumi, they just have to go and just click Bhumi here and just fill out the form and just join our webinars, free webinars, where we educate everyone what exactly Bhumi is about, how to use it, how it is useful for anyone there. And my Twitter handle is RAKZ@27. So we keep on posting more and more about our website, more and more about the levels and the charts. And this is all right now, which I have on my plate right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, Raksha. I'm so glad you made it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, nice to hear your voice. And, you know, I hope you and your family remain untouched by this invisible enemy, and that Boomy keeps creating booms in your equity to the upside. And was great hearing your voice and talking to you and getting some nice looks from you today.
Thank you so much, Dale, and really, and just pardon me for this hassle here today. And thank you so much, because I can never miss a meet with you. You know that.
I know.
You are my favorite, all time favorite.
Oh, thank you so much. And you know, you'd have to wait 2-3 months to talk to me again.
Of course.
You know, I mean, you know how I schedule people. You know what people say to me, Dale, 2-3 months from now, I could be dead. I go, well, you know. Anyway,
I'll be here to meet you.
All right. Well, have a great fall trading season, Raksha. Appreciate your looks and edifying the F.A.C.E community once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dale, and just be safe and just have a lot of fun all the time. Thank you so much, Dale, for getting me here.
Everyone, Raksha Soni at RAKZ. Let me finish.
RAKZ@27.
Yeah, _27, and check out her algo. And that's going to be a wrap. And that's going to be a wrap for us today. And everyone trade safely. It's one of the wildest days I've seen in a long time. And I don't know how there could be a turnaround Tuesday after this blast off, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. Thank you, everyone, for your support of ForexAnalytix. And I hope that we're adding value to what you're trying to accomplish as a trader, and appreciate all of you that have taken the step to say thank you by becoming a subscriber and part of our trading family. And with that, remember, don't just count your pips, count your blessings. And we'll see everyone tomorrow. Adios. And thank you again, Raksha.
Thanks, Dale. Take care.
See you guys. See you, Brock. See you, Giuseppe. See you, Richard. You're welcome, Horg.